In this video, we'll talk about YouTube network. So you can see an option over here. Whenever you'll go for a video campaign, under that an option will come networks. Under that option, you can see YouTube search results, YouTube videos, and there's a checkbox over here, video partners on the display network. So this YouTube network consists of video partners on the display network. Okay, so under display network, we have partner websites, apps, we have videos, YouTube channels, everything who's partnered to Google will come under display network. Under that display network, if there are, let's say, video partners, now video partners may be like Hotstar, Sony Live, or ZTV, this kind of, let's say, brands which are, let's say, video partners to Google, that comes under your YouTube network. So you can put that under, let's say, for targeting while going for a video campaign. And you also have option over here to show ads on YouTube search results through discovery ads, and you can show ads on your YouTube videos as well. Okay, so this is how your YouTube network works. So I hope this is pretty clear.